Alright guys, I'm going to show you all the setup on a Tadano 100 ton. This is the 1000 XL. This is an older model rig. This button right here is your hydraulics. You turn it on. That's your main switch on your hydraulics. You go to the computer. Now this one's been running before, so this is already halfway set up. Okay, your counter rate right here where it says 22.1. That's this. You'd push this button right here in the morning. That's your counterweight. This is your enter button. Hit your enter button, and your computer's going to come up. What that'll do is set your counterweight on your machine, and it'll turn the alarm off. You'll have an alarm going on until you hit that button. This one right here, you actually won't even have to set it up in the morning because it'll done be done. But what that is your parts of line on your big block. You hit enter, you set however many parts of line. That's when you're running off your main block. This one right here, that's your main block. That is your rooster tail. That'll be your fast line. You keep going up, that'll be your jib. You can go back to the F3. It'll bring it back down. I'm gonna go ahead and set the jib on this one. Just the rooster tail, that's your fast line, single part line. Hit enter. This right here has got to be scoped all the way in before you can set this. This one right here is your 3 sections of small boom. This one right here is for your heavy lift, your big boom. I'm gonna stay with the small because I don't use the big one until I have to. You hit enter. All right, now y'all, if that is set right there while I'm on the small, that'll go out 128 foot on the 100 ton. In order to go out past that in this setting, I'm gonna come back over here and show you a button. You got 2 buttons right here. You got a button on this side is your horn, and there's a button right here on your fast line. You push that button, your other section will go out. Now y'all, this is from the 55 ton does not have that. Once you get up to the 75 ton, you're gonna have to push that button to go out. Now, if somebody else has got this machine set up, let me go back to this right here so I can show you. If they got it set on this one right here, once you hit F3, go straight to it. If it's set on that, your big section is gonna come out, and then your crane is going to stop scoping out. In order to make it go out anymore, you got to go hit that button over there on your fast line. You hit that button, it'll go on out. I'm going to go back to this one. The reason why I'm telling y'all that is I was on a 55 ton. It does not have that button. You don't have a big section on it. It will go straight on out without that. It doesn't have that. And you look silly without knowing that all you gotta do is push that one little button and everything will go back to working. Alright, once you get all your computer set up on that, your last thing that you're gonna do is your outriggers, which is here. You push the outrigger button, it comes up, and it's gonna show you where your outriggers are. You hit this enter, and it is set. Okay, to run your outriggers in and out is right here. This is your 4 outriggers. That's your front 2, back 2, or all together. On this side right here. Okay, to make your beams go out, this is your beam. This is your cylinder to pick it up. This is your beam out. Okay, you hit beam out. That'll run your outriggers out. To pull your outrigger back in, you stay on beam. Well, once you put this right here, hit this one and this one. Let me turn that off for a second before we quit beeping. These 2 out. Hit this button right here. They will go out. To make them come in, you hit this button and that one. This button will make them come in. If you want individual, you hit each one at a time. Okay, when you hear that beeping right there, all that's telling you is my outriggers are set to do something. Hit that button to turn it off, or any of them. Okay, the bottom button there. This one right here, top one. Let me turn it off for it to stop. That sends your cylinder down, and here we'll go down to raise it up and level it. This one and this one will set your machine back down and pull your outriggers up. Okay, I'm gonna turn them off so I can talk to y'all. This is your bubble. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. That's the level of your machine. A secret that I've learned the hard way: always use 2 at a time. Front 2 at a time, back 2 at a time to level it up. Also, this will pick it up. You pick it up until you got pressure up on them. Get your tires, get pressure on all your beams so your tires are just starting to come up. Okay, if it's leaning one direction, push 2 at a time. Get it straight. Go up, whichever one to get it level this way. So if you're leveled, if you need to turn this way and you're down, push these 2, turn it up. Same thing with the front. If your front's down, push these 2, raise it up. Same thing with the back. While you're on the up position, that is these going down and cylinder. That's picking your machine up. Always pick your machine up until your tires are clear of the ground, at least a couple inches. Guys, that's just a quick video on how to set up your Tadano.